Megan Harn. I'm a real estate broker in Washington State, and today I want to go over earnest money. So earnest money is a deposit made from a buyer to a seller to say, hey seller, I'm serious about purchasing your house and here is a check to show that. Around here, earnest money is typically 1% of the purchase price and it's held in a third-party account. At closing, the earnest money is usually then applied to either the buyer's down payment or their closing costs. If at some point during this transaction that buyer decides to walk away from this house using one of the contingencies laid out in the contract, then that buyer is entitled to their earnest money back. So that's what earnest money is. If you have any real estate related questions or if you're thinking about getting into real estate yourself, feel free to reach out to me. I would be more than happy to help. And if you're not in the Puget Sound area and you're looking for a great real estate agent to represent you, feel free to reach out to me and I will personally help you find an agent that fits your needs in whatever city or state you may be in.